Most mobile projects will contain icons of some sort. In this video, we'll explore one of the best libraries to get your project started with more than 3,000 icons ready to use in your mobile project. So fire up your browser and let's get started. The first thing you need to do is go to github.com/oblador/React Native Vector Icons. Once you get to that page, basically you get the formal introduction here and then a whole bunch of files. But the one thing to remember, the reason why we're using this library is that most of the time you'll be needing a lot of icons in your application. Once you get to that page, basically you'll get some introduction about this repo and then a whole bunch of files in the repo. But what's really important to remember is that once you start a mobile project, most likely you'll need some icons. And the problem is most people don't know how to integrate the icons into a project or don't have access to all the libraries. So this library basically offers you all those icons and more into one nicely packaged library. And basically, as long as you think of an icon or a specific icon library, it's probably in this bundle set. The other benefit to that library is that it gives you the instructions how to install those fonts into your React Native project or your mobile project. And most of the time it is a tedious task if you do this on your own. So if you look at this section, it'll give you a good summary of all the icon sets that are included into this library. But if you want to take a look at it, you can click on Browse All. And once we get to the page, you'll see all the icons available through the React Native Vector Icons directory. And if you want, you can actually search for specific icons to see if there's something that's included already in there. And then if you search for home, you'll see all the home icons that are in the specific icon sets that are included in this library. Let's say, for example, you search for something and you can't find it. So for example, I'll try to find an icon called Many. There's no icon called Many. Then I could go to Fontello, fontello.com, and then upload a specific icon with an SVG related to Many, and then download that web font, and then follow the instructions back on this page to install that specific font into the environment that I want to create the app. In the next video, we'll explore an excellent UI library called Native Base. See you in a bit.